Hey there, folks. If you're thinking about closing your Discover credit card account, you're in the right place. Maybe you're streamlining your finances, switching to a new card, or just ready for a change. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you through the process step by step. This is straightforward, but remember, closing an account can impact your credit score, so let's make sure you do it right. First off, before you dive in, double-check that your account is in good standing. That means paying off any outstanding balances or making sure there are no pending transactions. Discover won't let you close the account if you owe money, so head to their website or app and settle up if needed. This step is crucial to avoid any complications down the line. Once that's sorted, log into your Discover account online. You'll find this at discover.com or through their mobile app. It's super easy. Navigate to the Account Services or Profile section, where you should see an option for Close Account or something similar. Click on that and follow the prompts. You'll likely need to answer a few security questions to verify your identity. If you prefer a more personal touch or can't find the option online, give Discover customer service a call. Their number is usually on the back of your card or on their website. When you connect with a rep, clearly state that you want to close your account. They'll ask for verification details like your account number, social security number, or security answers. Be prepared to explain why you're closing it. They might try to convince you to stay, but stay firm if that's your decision. After you've initiated the closure, request written confirmation. This could be an email or letter in the mail, which is important for your records. It proves the account is closed and helps protect against any future issues. One last thing. Closing an account might shorten your credit history length, potentially lowering your credit score temporarily. If you're not in a rush, consider keeping it open with zero balance. Alright, that's the full rundown. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.